The most efficient and cost-effective process for making large numbers of discs, such as CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays, is called replication. Replication begins with the creation of a stamper that will be used to make multiple copies of a disc. Stampers are created through the mastering process, where the data from the original disc is etched into a coated piece of glass. The piece of glass then goes through a series of processes, resulting in a metal pattern that will be used for replication. This stamper is placed in the molding machine and has an effective life of approximately 40,000 discs. Replicated discs are made of a plastic called polycarbonate. The plastic comes in the form of little beads about the size of a grain of rice. They begin the process of becoming a disc by being loaded into a hopper, where they are heated, dried, and then transferred to the molding machine. Once the plastic is delivered to the molding machine, it is melted and then injected into the disc mold under high pressure. The result is a perfectly stamped disc matching the stamper pattern. The molded disc is moved by a robotic arm to a carousel where it is cooled before being processed further. Although the data is now molded into the plastic, the disc isn't readable until a thin layer of reflective metal is bonded to the top of the disc. The next step of the molding process adds a protective coat of lacquer to the disc surface. Once applied, a high-intensity UV light dries the lacquer. Before being placed on an output spindle, the machine performs a visual inspection to check for any imperfections or manufacturing defects. With the molding complete, the discs are now ready to be printed and packaged.